Miss Molly. Come on. Let's go. You want to go? First day back on the job? You want to go to work? Come on. Daddy let you out. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go to work. I got you. I got you. Come on, let's go to work. Come on.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Miss Molly, the first day on the job here, Miss Molly. Huh? Alright, I got my briefcase here. It's going to work out good. It's not going to hit the windshield. If I got a little brace in the back there to stop it from going back, that'll be fine. And then I got my GPS here. We're ready to rock and roll. Push over. Yeah, how you like your new bed there, Miss Molly? Yeah, I think you're going to like it here first day on the job, Miss Molly. Oh, yeah. I think so. Oh, yeah. Well, the thing I did, I got a lot of complaints about people complaining about the pipe going to be rolling on the floor. I just put a couple of pieces of angle on in there. Just keep it right in place. It ain't going to move. I can walk. Won't be long. This floor will be loaded with pipe. It ain't going to move. Once the pipe's there across the whole span, it ain't going to move anyway, so I'm not worried about it. What do you think, Miss Molly? Yeah, you love the new truck. I'm going to turn the heater on. I'm going to turn on the heater.
Turn left on Cross Road, then turn right.
Morning, guys. January 19th, 2023. First day back on the job with a new truck. And this one here, I got a call from a guy. He's got a shower valve that's dripping. It's a Kohler. He did get the replacement cartridge. He wants me to go by there and shut the water off and change the cartridge. So I know these guys. I worked for them a bunch of times. So that's what we're going to do. Miss Molly thinks she's driving the truck here. What I gotta do when I get a little time, I still gotta do more things to the truck, but it's moving ahead in the right direction here. I'm on the road and job scheduled and start working again. Almost felt like I was retired there for a bit. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. This thing runs sweet, man. Beautiful truck. It's a lot quieter than my diesel, that's for sure. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Oh, beautiful, huh? Alright, so we'll have to shut the water off. It's definitely a Kohler. Yeah, so she's dripping. I could see it. All right. What a beautiful setup, huh?
Isn't that nice?
Wow.
Yeah.
Living in class here. All right. Good to know where it is. It's right here. We ever have to shut the water off, it's right here. See it? That's off.
Awesome.
Yeah. I got the water off. It'll stop here and we'll be able to work on it. Should be the one. No, it's not. The stem's smaller. It's not the right one, unless there's an extension on there. crosses on top. That's what we need. This goes on the top. Just like that. Pretty easy peasy. That's a stop. That should be off right there, and then that's a stop to adjust the temperature. Turn the water back on, make sure we're okay. I don't see any leaks, that's good. You want to see, we're going to set this where we want it, make sure it doesn't get too hot. I'm thinking that's good right there. It's not, I can hold my hand under it doing it. good. It's not leaking and dripping anywhere, so that's what we want. No more drips. What do you think, Miss Molly? I think it's a pretty nice truck. Yeah, you got your little seat there and everything. Alright, push over. Make room for me. Push over. Push over. You want to drive? Yeah, you want to drive it, Molly. Yeah, you love driving. You love driving. Yeah, I know you love driving.